Pour myself a cup of ambition, yawn and stretch and try to come to life. Jump in the shower and the blood starts pumping. Out on the street, the traffic starts jumping. The folks like me on the job.
Playing somewhere. Yeah, it was playing live in the Mojo room. Look at that. Hey, everybody. Pro Trader Mike. Going on. Working 9 to 5. Boy, used to, I don't remember, that was a long time ago. 9 to 5. Ha! You working 9 to 5? I'm watching the clock. What time is it right now? 1:30. You're like, shit. I wish I could take a longer lunch. You know when I work? 24 hours a day, baby. Dude, I rarely sleep. 6 hours a day. Otherwise, psh, I'm working when the crickets. So silent. Silent. I'm working. Yep.
Yes.
Carol knows. You know what I'm doing? You see what I got right here? I got Pro Trader Acre. I wish that was Pro Trader Ant, but it's not. I miss Pro Trader Ant. He's been on vacation for like 3 months. Jeez. Bohan, my man. He's a man. He's been with me for 4 years. This guy, Bohan. See? So his role is a master trader now. Once you've been with me for 4 years, forget about it. Carol, see Carol? She has been with me now for as long as time can tell, baby. She's a master trader. Can explain anything about the MOJO system to anyone. We got Delcan, Dontavius. You got a couple years to go. Pro Trader Hopper is a master trader on the MOJO team. He's a master trader. And then you get Jim, Kent. Kent is a master trader on the MOJO team. Kent, 4 years. Matter, Pro Trader Matter, going on. He is a master trader as well. There's a couple of guys he'll pop in and out. He's been with me for 4 years. Pro Trader Mark, not yet 4 years, but getting there. Metal, Patsy, Peacock, getting there. Peter, PSI. Pro Trader PSI, almost getting there on 3 years. Randy, Ramey, RC, Renteria, getting there. Saywin and Scott and Sheila, Voss and Wubby. Nice. Everybody else will be future pros. We got a couple of guys down here, Arif and Navi. And good day. Let me show you what we did. Mojo crypto mining, my $100,000 GPU mining farm. You want to see that, right? I'll show you that. And then I'll show you the trades. So my website is mojominers.com. There's my operation right back there. See them rigs? Got a lot of GPU cards. I got 12 mining rigs and 4 PCs. I'll show you right here. So let's see some pictures. This is the Mojo mining farm right here. Here's 2 rigs that I just finished up building right here. These are 7 GPU. Each one of these rigs has 7 cards. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of these. I got another one. 13 of those. 7 card GPUs right there. Those are the that's about 90 cards right there running. And then that's what it looks like at night. Sick. And I could turn on the LEDs. It looks like a freaking Mojo land. Mojo Circus. Mojo land. They're amazing. I love these. These These are the Asus Strix 1070 Ti's. I love, they light up in red. Woof, woof, woof. Right down the row. It's sick. They're nice. And then I got, each one of these cards are a lot of money. Then I got this. Check out this baby. This is my Origin. This one has 4 1080 Ti's. That PC. That baby does me 3,000 megahash. Let's go to the calculator and I'll show you what that makes. And at today's prices, it's not that sexy, but I'm looking at it long term. That right there does 3,000 megahash. Power on it's 800. Right there. After electricity, I'm making $139 a month, $1,600 a year, just for playing games and doing my work off that computer. Okay, show me the way, Mike. Show me the way. So I got this one with 4 1080 Ti's. My son uses this computer with 2 Aorus 1080 Ti's. And they're right here. So if we go into Zcash and we go in, you could see my workers. Here's the Aorus. He's doing 1,263 souls. I got Mojo Miner 1, 2, 3, all the way down. The Velox is doing 2436. The Origin's doing 3158. Right here. You can see right behind my head. See? The Origin, the Velox, Mojo Miner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All my. Look at this. Yesterday, I got paid 10 times. 10 times I got paid. 10. Watch. You ready? Check this out. Watch. Look. Payment number. Today's the 29th. I got paid 3 times. Yesterday, once. Payment 304. Payment Zcash. Again. Payment Zcash again. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times. Give me my Zcash, baby. Mike's hodling it. See, because what I do is when it's down, I don't turn it into cash. I leave it as Zcash because I want it here. So now when it goes back up in price, I bought it. Give it to me under 200. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Now it's going above 200. It'll go positive back to 2. I'll make up that 5% plus another 5%. So I'm going to make $100 just by my impeccable timing and my conversion mechanism software and proprietary technology that I have. Take that off the electric bill. You think I got to go to Washington for 6-cent freaking power? 8-cent power? Bullshit. I'll pay 11, trade for 20 or 30%, offset my electric bill off the timing that I do, saving hundreds of dollars. Who in the world could do that or even want to figure that out? No way, Jose. Check it out. I be collecting these. I turn the Zcash to Bitcoin. Right there. See? Bitcoin. It's a Bitcoin. See it? The Bitcoin. See that? Ethereum. See? Ethereum. See? Ripple. Ripple. See? Litecoin. See that? Want to go play some poker? Bring your coins. The first cryptocurrency poker game. I'm ready to rock and roll. I'll be going like this. See this Bitcoin in the middle? I'll be like, dude, let's rock and roll with the gold coins, baby. Mojo's ready to play. Oh, I got to get the silver. Let's put the Bitcoin in the middle. Because we like to buy the fucking dip like we did today. Put the Bitcoin in the middle and spin that sucker around just like that, see? See that? Want to play poker? Bring your Bitcoin, baby. Mojo Poker will have a poker game. So that's the Bitcoin right there. You know? 7,515. It's in prime zone. Buy the dip. Effing dip. Did it here. Rode it up to here. Now I'm doing it here. Gonna ride it back up to 8,500. Let me show you what I sent out this morning. Crypto Newsletter 13. Crypto Newsletter 13. Third time's a charm. Third time's a charm. Beautiful, beautiful. Nah, but my miners are working 24/7. My miners work 24/7 too. That's what miners do. They work 24/7. Got some guy on YouTube. Anyway, third time's a charm, guys. Buy the effing dip. That's what we do. Bitcoin, digital cash, go by Electronium Zcash, and the gamut right here should be scaled in the following ways. This is the way the Mojo rolls. See that? Here's the charts on them right here. Zash, Zcash. I gave them all instructions for everyone on how to do it right there. It's the Mojo Crypto Newsletter. Buy the effing dip. That's what we're doing. Scaling in, baby. I think Decred goes up higher too. This one, they're coming out with some stuff on this. Like a new, like mining something for Decred. So there's my miners right there. Let me force a reload. Dude, you see this little glip right here? I'm in the garage and I turned on, I plugged in by accident the vacuum. Can't plug in the vacuum in the garage. The garage is maxed out in power. I'll blow a circuit. So the internet went out because the internet is off, not on the same power grid that the miners are on. They're more to the house, and I screwed the vacuum to the house. Can't do that. So I had to reset it back up, but I was down for like 30 seconds. So I wasn't up 24 hours a day. I was down for 30 seconds. But right back up. And there's my baby. See my Mojo Apollo? Is this other one I got. So that's the Aurus. My baby boy is cruising on the Aurus right there. That's a beautiful. Look at the temp, 39 degrees on the motherboard. These babies run 750 a card. Let's see what they're doing now. The Aurus is around 1260 right now. 1400. The range is right in that range, 1500. 2 cards. Then I have this. This is my Velox. Velox is running at 2752, 3000. 750 a card because I got 4 MS, I got 2 fans in front. This baby's hot as shit. Blows that air right out the back. 4 1080 Ti's in this one right here. And that's my other PC. This one runs the mining operation. And it makes me right there, low side, $139 a month. But that's when, dude, this shit, add a freaking 200 to it. Zcash goes back up. Dude, it's been all over the place. I'm looking to mine in long term. I'm a hodler. HODL. That's for someone who spelled hold wrong. So then I got right here, that's my VLOX. This is the warehouse, because I'm maxed out in my garage. So about 1 minute from my home is this place that they're building. Brand new building right there. I'm this last lot right there on the side, because I'm getting extra power put into the building. So I got the prime unit by all the boxes and the electricity. See the fan, the conduciveness of the unit with the 2 holes? Whew, blow the freaking air right out, dude, and through the roof. The roof has a huge hole in it, because hot air rises. So like my garage, I got it along the side right here. So I got them along the side, 40 racks in my 5, 200 rigs, blowing the air to the middle. See that back door? Gone. Right out the back door. See, that'll be lined around, just like my garage, but bigger, stronger, faster, more powerful, more money. Like the Bionic Man, 10 times more faster, 10 times more powerful, 10 times more speedy, and 10 times the freaking money, baby. My line this morning was, give me 15 minutes and I'll make you $1,000. That's what I do in the Mojo room. And that's my electrician, by the way, right here. That's the electrician, see? He's pointing out and calculating all the stuff for me. That's him. There's my garage. Look, beautiful. Custom LED screen. So you may think your miner's running, but it's really 0 souls. It overheated or it reset, and now you don't even know. You don't even know it. But I know it, and I can heartbeat screen right there. See, this baby's running 525 per soul right there. Nice temps. These are my gigabytes. Got some fans blowing the air from the back right out to the front, from the left to the right, because that's the way the air travels. I have it all figured out. I've mastered. Look, my knee, I sat on that screen when I was building. I'm like, shit. But look at it, 3,589 souls. Running at 517, 508, 536, 532 per card. Those are 1070 Ti's. Are your 1070 Ti's running all above 525? If not, you haven't clocked it correctly and set the gauges correctly, and you don't have a custom CPU fan down there with the LEDs in the to make it do that. And this is a 7-card machine that's running 3,600 souls, mega hash. Look. You could see it, 529, 516, 515. See the GPU accepted share, GPU running at 69 degrees, 69 degrees. You see those temperatures? See my custom rigs, everything's tied, beautiful. Custom everything. I got, look at these right here. I got to my monitors, besides my fans. I got my custom fan. I got these custom cords right here connected to the monitor, special. See them, right? The blue ones. I got my Bionics fan behind, attached to the back right there. They're super quiet. Look at those babies hum with the red. 1200 PSU. Look at the beautiness on this baby right here. The one under the beautiful. I got them all beautifully rigged. The whole system done. Look at that. Look at the tie right there, holding the wires all lined up beautifully. Everything's zip tied together beautifully. I'm going on to this side. Got my SSD drive, my custom fans, my gigabytes. It's $100,000 worth of equipment right there. That's made me as high. I've been making $30 a payment. Take 10 payments, that's $300 a day times 31 days. 300 times 31. My high months have been around 9,300. Right now I'm around 4,000, 4,500, 5,000. It fluctuates up and down due to the price of the coins that I mine. This one card runs at 82 versus all the other ones. Maybe there's always one card in the bunch that you can't really control. It's running like a couple of things high because it may be in the middle, that one card, and a lot of heat getting to it, so you can't get the heat away from that one card. Look at those babies. Accepted share, dev fee, accepted share. Look, accepted share, dev fee, accepted share. Someday I'll have my own Mojo mining pool. People paying me a dev fee because I bring all the miners together. And we'll play some hoops and some tennis right there. I'll show you how to do this in your own garage. There you go. Accepted share, accepted share. That's money. That does it all day and all night. This is the only business I've ever seen in my life where you plug in the machine and you're making money immediately. Screw making back the money on the machine. I can always sell the machine. What the hell do I need to make the money back on it? I'll sell it in a year for the same price I bought it for because I get nice wholesale prices. Dude, profit. Everything's profit. It's sick. I've never seen a business like this in my life, and they want you to do it. They encourage you to do it. You just can't do it too big. Because it's a new venture. It's an intercoastal. We're not in the ocean yet. You can't put the big boats in the intercoastal. They're pulling you over. Say, yo, slow down, baby. I started out at 9,700 souls, with 1 or 2 rigs right there, making only $1,800 a month off 9,000. See that? It fluctuates. And then I got 22,000, and then I went 40,000. The guy at $1 million is making 113,000 a month. Times that by, it's $1 million. He's at 1.2 million mega hash. You're making 1.2 million a year. That's pretty freaking good, man. That's good. So you invest $1 million, you make it back in a year. My warehouse, I'm looking. I could build it right now for $1 million to $1.2 million. I already got a lot into it, and I got some things happening to get it going. I'm moving in on May 1st. This guy with only 372,000 is making 35,000. So whatever your mega hash is, that's what you're making. 700,000, 70,000. Mojo miners, 41,000, 4,000. There's my Mojo miner. I'm mining Zcash. That's what I got. See that, guys? That's the shit. I got, what is the Lightning Network? I don't think you guys, you know what Bitcoin is in mining. Let me show you the video on mining.
What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin operates as a peer-to-peer network. This means that everyone who uses Bitcoin is a tiny fraction of the banked Bitcoin. But where do Bitcoins come from? With paper money, a government decides when to print and distribute money. Bitcoin doesn't have a central government. With Bitcoin, miners use special software to solve math problems and are issued a certain number of Bitcoins in exchange. This provides a smart way to issue the currency and also creates an incentive for more people to mine. And since miners are required to approve Bitcoin transactions, more miners means a more secure network.
Just like gold, when gold mining happened, the gold miners secured and made more gold available.
the Bitcoin network automatically changes the difficulty.
Whoever thought a little piece of gold like this would be worth thousands of dollars 100 years later? See this Bitcoin? Imagine if this thing's worth $100,000 in 10 years. I'll take 10 of these Bitcoins for my home, please. Sure. Let's transact. This transaction would take a long time. The average transaction for Visa, they do around 5,000 transactions a day. They're capable of doing 46,000 on their network. Bitcoin does 7 blocks a day. Very slow. That's why the lightning's going to come out and change
Difficulty of the math problems, depending on how fast they're being solved. In the early days, Bitcoin miners solved these math problems with the processors in their computers. Soon, miners discovered that graphics cards used for gaming were much better suited to this kind of math. Graphics cards are faster, but they use more electricity and generate a lot of heat.
They do. So let me tell you the difference. Bitcoin miners use this thing called the ant miner. Bitmain, one of the main companies, has made $4 billion. Bitmain. Right here. $4 billion in profits last year, this company did. And they sell this machine to people. This is a monopoly. It's exactly like Callaway Golf. You go buy this one right here, and they're already making the next one. They're going to upgrade, and you're going to have to get the next one. And then Bitminer 4, and the 5, and the 6, and the 7. And that's it. And you can mine Bitcoin. But Bitcoin difficulty is going up. Everyone's mining Bitcoin. You can only mine one thing with that machine, is the Bitcoin. And it's like a freaking little airplane. It's so damn loud, you can't even... If I had my garage filled with them, my neighbors would complain. It would give off 4 times the amount of heat. I couldn't do it. But with the GPU mining, it's different. You can mine other coins that these can't. And you can make a lot of profit. So what's happening is there's these large companies that have a lot of money that have never mined before that are going like, okay, let's order freaking 1,000 of those, 2,000 of those, and $2 million, and we'll buy a Toys R Us going out of business. That's my idea. Toys R Us should have turned themselves into Mining R Us, but they didn't. They should have had me as the CEO. I could have turned it all around with those big buildings, man, selling GPUs and motherboards and risers. You know, they'll have a dog. The doorman's called a snark. Instead of security guard, he's a snark. Like Zcash is built on the snarks. I love all these names. SATA, that's my dog's name, SATA. Yeah, SATA. You need that cord for the motherboard, the SATA cord. It's unbelievable. Riser. Hey, Riser, come on over, Riser. The Risers. So many of these new little names are going to be coming out. I love it. People are going to be playing poker with the coins, okay? So they're going in, and they're using up, like, going in the area into coming over from China, and they're like, dude, every place in the United States is residential. You can't build huge and go for a megawatt or 2 megawatts of power. The electricity company's not giving it to you. They're not going to permit it to you. It's been happening in Washington. Then they're moving to New York. New York is like, fine, you want to come in? You pay a regular rate like everyone else. I'll raise the rates. The residents can have it for 4 cents, and you're going to pay me 9 cents. So, dude, all their plans are getting squashed because they're going in too big too fast. I'm just going to take my garage to the first warehouse. It's only 250,000 kilowatts. No problem. Breaker, adding in 1 breaker box. I'd rather build 10 of them than 1 of the other. This way I have better redundancy. If one goes down, the others are still up. If that big one goes down, they're all in trouble. So I kind of doing things a little bit differently in the way I'm building my operation. And then the miners.
The first commercial Bitcoin mining products included chips that were reprogrammed for mining Bitcoin. These chips were faster, but still power hungry. ASIC, or application-specific integrated circuit chips, are designed specifically for Bitcoin mining. ASIC technology has made Bitcoin mining even faster while using less power. As the popularity of Bitcoin increases, more miners join the network, making it more difficult for individuals to solve the math problems. To overcome this, miners have developed a way to work together in pools.
Like me in the nano pool. I'm going to be number 1, 2, and 3 in the nano pool. Here's the top guys right here in the nano pool. Right now there is 18,000 miners, 36,000 machines. Zcash is at 198. Blocks are mined right here. In the last 24 hours, 67 blocks of Zcash. Average pool rates right there. The top miner is doing $1 million right here. So he's making right now, I'll take that, 66. That he was making right there. You could see the range, 115 to 20,000 down to 66, 70. It's a big range. So if you don't look at it on a daily basis and look at it on a yearly basis over the course of the year, the average is going to be beautiful. And then if the coins rise and the industry grows bigger, which it is, you're on the cusp of the golden road. Who laid the golden road? The early adopters, the visionaries. That's who we do. I'm galvanizing people that can't see what I see.
How you get smarter? Educate yourself. So the things that we run from the truth. We're running from the truth, man. So the only way I became successful was going towards the truth. As painful, as brutal as it is, it changed me. It allowed me to become, in my own right, who I am today.
Listen.
If you're striving for something, as Oliver Emberton said, the only way to avoid pissing people off is to do nothing important. If you're striving for something important, you want to make real change. If there's something in your life that you're absolutely hell-bent to make happen, you've got to understand you're going to have enemies along the way. People are going to push against me. It's my ability to hold true to my vision. I have enemies? Good. It means I stood up for something at some point. That's what people miss. Somehow they want to get through this unscathed. They hope. They see my vision. They fall in line behind me. They want me to lead them. Having me in a vision puts me in an incredible position. Can't see things other people can't see. That's the role of a visionary. Determine the world that other people don't even know exists. Get people excited about it. Understand when I promote change. When I build an army. But as Mark Twain said, keep away from those who try to belittle your ambitions.
Small people always do that.
But the
The really great ones, they make you believe you too can be great. That's the kind of person you want to surround yourself with. People that believe in you. Even when you can't see it, they can see you. Even if they don't understand what you're trying to do, they get in line behind you. When I can galvanize people around my idea, push it forward, not as is, but as it could be, that's when I can make change. I can't be afraid to piss everyone off. They're coming for me. I'm fighting. And I tell you right now, dude, like this morning, what's that fan? I hear the fan. I'm like, I'm usually feel a cold breeze when I come out of the bedroom. It's hot. Because I had the PC running in my office. and the door opened. So as soon as I wake up, I hear, oh, it's so hot in the garage. It's so hot. That's the missus. That's the missus. And then the people with the crypto. Everyone, hey, you know what crypto mining is? I'm doing this mining. Oh, what the fuck is mining? Oh, that's great. I don't know what the fucking cryptocurrency is. And that's the deal, dude. People have no idea. Dude, subscribe to my channel. When I go live, yes, you'll get a little alert. See the shark swimming around the money? When he circles around it, just click your mouse button in the bottom right corner of the screen and click subscribe. Beautiful. So that's the action right there. And one last thing about the mining, I got the Bitmain made the huge profit, $4 billion. It's sick. A lot of money here, guys. So let me show you Mono Miner's Home white paper. Oh, let me show you what the Lightning is. Lightning's the faster network that's on top of Bitcoin that's coming out. Big investment VC money's gone into it. It's going to make Bitcoin faster. That's what Lightning is. So check that out. And the white paper, it's beautiful. I spent a lot of time revising this in the last couple of days. Look, shows you right here the real-time access on your smartphone. Right here, you go to nanostats, and I could pull up right here all the workers, exactly what they're doing by the hour, who the workers are, making sure they're running, profit right there, what it all is, everything right there on the phone. See it right? This side 4,300 at 44,000. Right at what your hash rate is, what you're making. Sick. 24-hour-a-day reporting. Here's about myself. Began my career in the financial industry. I gained knowledge of finance by developing a system that became the basis of MOJO Day Trading. A little bit about me, my background with the farm, right there. I build and do everything. There's those top miners right here. The payments, the calculator, the vision, what Mojo does, a little word from myself. The bright future of Mojo, of mining and Bitcoin. Essentially, with 200 million active users by 2024, Bitcoin will penetrate the mainstream market, and the vast majority of investors and casual consumers will embrace Bitcoin as a robust store and of value and digital currency. As Bitcoin solidifies itself as the leading global store of value, an increasing number of unique and active users will begin utilizing the cryptocurrency as a day-to-day currency and replacement of fiat currencies. Through second-layer infrastructures such as Lightning, in the long term, Bitcoin users and businesses will be able to process micropayments or transactions with substantially lower fees, settle payments for goods and services. Once Bitcoin service providers and exchanges integrate Lightning and other potential second-layer scaling solutions, more users will be able to utilize Bitcoin to settle small payments as well as large payments, with the former being processed on Lightning channels and the latter on the chain with higher fees. To learn more about Bitcoin and Lightning, click on the images to play. My strategy is to scale from 1 to 10 by the end of 2019. Each route's producing profits with expected revenue of $1.2 million in the first year and $2.4 million in year 2. It's a great business because Mojo miners will make back the cost of the equipment in 12 months, and it's all profit. GPU mining, it's an ambitious goal to be a worldwide leader in GPU mining. However, with the right team of backers, I can get the project done because, like the field of dreams, once you build it, they will come. All you gotta do is build it. And I've already built it. See that air conditioner I put in for $3,500 in my house? That sits right on top of the rigs, blows air. There's fans right on that blows the air that right by them. There's certain ways, it's all about airflow. And I have figured out the solutions and the proper fans to get the job done and do everything. This is the operation. This is the new building. It's a minute from my house. the numbers right here. 200,000 amps on 720,000. Low side, 443 a year. Low side, monthly payouts. Dude, this shit's the bomb. Look at this. Big ass fans in the warehouse. Look at my rigs in the ant miner. Industry news. Coin mint, nearby city of Messina. No. My business model. You check this out on the MOJO site. Revenue streams. Self-mining. New and used sales. Renting my hash power wholesale, baby. Diseases and oh my god. Look at the MOJO miners roadmap. Beautiful. The equipment that I use and my distributors and what I'm mining and my timeline and my select and the capital I put in and already and how it's going to be put out and the raising details and the growth at one mining center. I'm making net profit of 600,000 and I'm putting $1 million into. It cost me $1 million right now, $1.2 million. It's sick. 5 of them making 3, 10 of them making 5.8 million, bro. 6 million net. Sick. Right here. How it all gets split. Look at that block. Worst case scenario. I've already lived it. Imagine owning Zcash a few months back at 800 and it's down to 100. It is down to 195. I'm still making money. It's sick. Risk. And then that's it, baby. MOJO miners. It's the future. What I do. Nice. Show you what we traded today. Made right here today. Mikey J made 140 on AVGR, 180 on Riot, 790 and 830 on UV. Nailed Riot right at 607. Sent out the newsletter too.
I'm Captain Marvel.
All news, all the time. This is 1010 Wins. You give us 22 minutes, we'll give you the world.
Good morning. You give me 15 minutes and I'll make you $1,000. Right here. Made 3,000 on AVGR. Rocking. Show you how we did that. Came in the day, did my morning routine, created my watch list, my trading plan, checked my systems for volume, float, and price, nailed some stocks right at the open. Sat here in my boat with my lines in the water looking for patience. All of a sudden, lemon squeeze play AETI. That's going to be through 140 only, going through 150. I like that one. Buy entry 140, below number 2 is 140 to add 145, 47, sell through and maximize. Good morning, good morning. Here's 40, 45. And it really didn't make a move. Not everyone does. 919, 920. Here's Poom. Don't like it. Someone asked me if I would do Poom. I said, no way. Look, someone who bought it at point A, someone owns it at every one of these bars, all the way down to point B. So if it went up today, there's everyone looking to sell it all along the way. Too much selling pressure. I'd rather have one like this that just flies up where there's no one above it to go higher and higher. Like a fajillion. I said that this morning and it was actually a word. The multiplication of fajita and a billion. I said, dude, the stock's got to trade a fajillion shares to make it happen. So there is actually a word called fajillion. So we nailed after my cup of coffee. Everyone go get a cup of coffee. Let's get ready for the open. Here we go. Oh, coffee's heavy. Take a sip. That's a big cup. Here we go. News. Let's get it. AVGR stopping station now. 127 to 32. Fill her up right there. Sold 35. Sold 48. Easy trade. Let's move to the next one. Did it again. 2 for 2. Boing, gorgeous. Flat. It's 9:33. In 3 minutes, 140 by 41 went to 55. 145 by 50. AVGR for Bailey, 317. Jefferson made 245 in 8 minutes. Then UVXY, CNDT, all of interest right here. And then 15-minute workday with the MOJ, half hour Mojo Rider. So with this room, it's a 15-minute workday. You'll come in at 9 o'clock, bell opens at 9:30, by 9:45 the day's over, you've made $1,000. Give me 15 minutes, I'll make you $1,000. Right there at 9:45 a.m. AVGR, 156 by 157. Magic. Look, AVGR, I got 3,000 left. Already made 3,190. I got it at 148. Unrealized 405. CNDT, I got 4,000 at 1875, down 540, and AET nothing. Here we go, flat. Trade's over. Sold all of AVGR. Great trade. Another 193 for Weber. Awesome, 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 awesome. Have a great Easter weekend, Mark. Beautiful hopper. 18 minutes for work. 2-minute coffee break. Clocking in $694 for Gerardo. Right here, give me 15 minutes. I'll make you $1,000. That's the Mojo Job tagline. Thank you. Then we nailed Riot. So I sent out the newsletter. We're going to do a reversal on Riot at 6:07.
Give us 22 minutes. We'll give you the world.
Good afternoon. 89 degrees, 2 o'clock on this Wednesday, July 6th.
So I show you right here. Newsletter. Pro Trader Mike right here. Oh, no, it's not it. Here it is. Riot. So this morning I sent this out. Hi traders, let's catch the bottom here. Looking for a reversal, way oversold, little risk to the downside, more to the upside. Entry 1 at 6:07. If it goes lower, let's wait to 5:51. If it goes higher, add into 6:30. Then look and go through 6:50 into mini Hines. May even go through Hines 7. 6:07 by 11. D Hines. Stock is 639 by 40. And Mojo's catching the bottom. First bar. ZN's moving, guys. 450 mini Hines. Should continue the run. 2.3 million. ZN right here. Zion Oil. Looks pretty good now for an afternoon situation. And Trey, after doing that, we traded a bunch again, and I finished up with the same pretty much. And that's how I ended the day. Great bottom call on Riot. And then right here I got paid 10 times. I can't believe it. It's incredible. Great times ahead for the Moj. Mojo's East Coast Eats. Anybody ever eat at Mojo's Eats? You've eaten there once? Nice. MOJO crypto mining right here. Love it. No working 9 to 5. Only thing that works 9 to 5. They work all day and night. My miners. Very nice, guys. So Mojo's going to end the show for today. I hope you got a lot of great information. If you didn't, email me, info@mojodaytrading.com. Pro Trader Mike. Join the team. I have $1 a day special. Yeah, you heard me right. A freaking $1. Look, go to the MOJODayTrading.com. Videos up top. Click it. 1,400 videos, dude. Look. Videos. How many I got? Where is it? Doesn't it say on the top how many videos I got? Should. I have 1,400 videos. 1,450. Something like that. Let me see. I'm curious. When I go to my video manager. I have 1,432 videos. If we go into my video manager right here, 1,432 videos, Mike. Courses on my MOJO Day Trading website. Courses. Click it. I've been teaching since 2012. The average guy you've seen has been with me for 4 years because what I teach is a glitch. People want to, how come I'm such a good day trade room? Because I give out amazing picks time after time. People want, what is those picks? How do I do them? You learn them right here in MOJO University. It's an online course right here consisting of a lot of action. Hold on a second. Hello? Yes, this is Mike. Oh, great. What's up, Rich? Got any good news? Yep. Oh, what do you got? 1070s or 1080s? Hold on. Hold on one second. Go.
MSI Duke.
A Duke.
GTX. A Duke. GTX 1070 Ti.
Okay, and what?
Better
Yep.
yet, I'll tell you what. I'm going to copy and paste here, and I'm going to send you the link and have you take a look at it.
Yeah, I'm very familiar with the Dukes, and it's the 3-fan, right? It's got the 3 fans.
I'm looking here. Yes, based on the picture, it appears that it does, yes.
Awesome. Yeah, send me over the Dukes, and I look forward to the email, and I'll get right back in touch if we'll make it happen. Sound good?
All right. Yeah, hang on a second here. I got your email address here. I want to put this in the subject line, MSI Duke. Normally this card is a little bit more expensive, but we'll let you have it. I mean, if you like it, we'll just do it at the same pricing.
Absolutely. I'm looking forward to doing a lot of business with your company. Because that's what MOJO Miners does. We're going to take care of you, you take care of the Moj. See? What we do. See how the Moj.
So come in your way right now. Take a look at it.
Yep. Take a look. Sounds good. Let me just click it up here. Hold on. Yeah, the MSI Duke, done. Go ahead, switch it out, buddy. It's the 8GB, done. Love it. I get the, and it says discontinued on the site, but we know you just got them. Beautiful. Let's do it. All right, sounds great to me. All right, just send me an email confirmation. We're all set to go, and they get sent. They get shipped out. I paid for quicker shipping, correct? Yeah. Okay, great. Sounds great. Thank you for all your help, Rich. Have a great day. Peace. See how Mojo does business, folks? Right there, that saved me $100 on the electric bill this month. Because I'm a great negotiator and I get deals. Sick. Dude, I just saved another $100 per card. And I just got 3 of them. So I just saved $300 off my $1,000 electric bill. Do you guys see how I just did that? Do you see how I did that? I just saved $300. Probably a little bit more than $300. See that? How I just saved that money? That's no other business. No other mining companies do that shit. Because they speak Chinese in China, dude. You gotta call up and be like, I want a big main right now, and I want a fucking 20% off, motherfucker. 20% off, motherfucker. Give it to me now, or I ain't doing business with you. Ooh, CLDR is going through 22. I know that stock. Like DBX. Strong. Dude, let's do CLDR through 22. Homies. CLDR, Heinz 22. That was up 371. Volatility storm. AMD just Heinz 10. Beautiful. AMD's running too. Nvidia's up 12. Beautiful late day run. Nvidia's moving. It's because I'm talking about Nvidia on the show and shit. Beautiful. Alright guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching the MOJO Day Trade Show. Peace, keep it profitable. I'll see you on the next show.